Albedo. You're albedo. Unmute yourself, you pussy. Unmute yourself, albedo kid. Dinosaur. Probably just find this picture of dinosaur. Yes. Pretty dinosaur. Yes. No. Wrong one. Can you unmute yourself, you pussy? Sorry, I'm busy laughing over here. Active life. Snickers? At least it's white inside, you pussy. Ah ha ha. You're the one inside the pussy, you're white. You know what the albedo is? Search albedo, that's your mama. Where your mama burn pussy. You know what albedo is? Albedo is white as fuck. Pussy. I'm add my friend in. Pussy. All laughing my ass off. Look, this kid. Like he's so racist in chat. Like I'm gonna give you a screenshot how racist he is. How the fuck did I get this shithole? Shut the fuck up. Oh, gangster banger. Oh, shut the fuck up.
Wait, why the fuck did even come here, man? I was
Dude,
just.
he's like so racist. I can literally screenshot what he's saying.
But why
Like,
the fuck?
lol, your mama probably always call you. Shut the fuck up, you albino kid.
But
He's
why did you
literally
call?
so racist. Huh?
Why did you call me here? I was just watching some military stuff, man. And then you just come and I see a call.
Yeah, like this kid. You can just leave him, man.
Bruh.
Let me get the shit alone. Watching some meal stuff. Shut the fuck up.
Okay. Cool, I
He's so
guess.
scared. Like, unmuting yourself. Unmute yourself. Dumbass.
Yeah, I don't care.
This picture, dumbass. Pussy scared. Albino. You're
Oh,
basically unbelievable like this time. So, pussy. Albino. That's your mom. You just came from that time. Can you tell obviously pussy friend to leave? Shut the fuck up. Yeah, leave. Okay then. Let's join a call alone.
okay. Yeah. That was really weird. Yep. So what happened? I mean, I'm not toxic, by the way. I like being friendly because I'm more of a friendly type guy. Yep. Albino. What? Oh fuck, my mom's mad at my brother. He said joining. Wait, I'm just gonna say wait. Yeah. I mean, I'm not usually toxic. I'm more a person chilling guy because I really like chilling. But when someone's toxic to me, then I guess I can defend myself somehow. I mean, I can try or just play Mortal Metallum and beat them if they're in the game. Oh, I like milk. Wait. Dude, Zach, don't use milk. Milk is actually good. I actually like milk.